In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a link for photos which are in your iPhone gallery. So to do this, it is very easy. We're going to use a free tool. So what you need to do is go ahead and open up your App Store. Once you've got your App Store open, search for Drive, and you need to go ahead and download Google Drive. So once you've downloaded it, if you've logged into Google already on your iPhone, you use things like Gmail, you'll be logged in and you'll have 15 GB of free storage. Here I've opened up Google Drive and you can see it looks something like this. If you don't have any files yet, yours will be blank. You'll just be able to go ahead and click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. So it's important to note I'm on files. So if you look right at the bottom here, you've got your home screen and you've got files. It doesn't really matter what section you're on, but you need to click on the plus in the bottom right. What I would do is go ahead and create a folder if you've got multiple photos that you want to share. I'm going to call this folder Photos. Then we can click on Create. Now we've done that, we'll be able to see our folder. So again, we're in the Files section in the bottom right. And here we can double click or click into Photos. Now we're in the Photos folder. Everything that we upload from here will go into this folder and be organized. We can click on the plus icon in the bottom right. You can then click Upload File, and then you can click Photos and Videos. Then it will open up your photo gallery where you can go ahead and highlight and select all of the photos you want to share, then click Upload. Click Upload again, and then all of these files will start to upload. Now, if you need to get back to this folder at any point, again, we go to Files in the bottom right hand corner, and then you just go ahead and click on the folder, which for me is Photos. Here we've got all of these photos from our gallery, which we can now go ahead and share. So what we're going to do, because we're clicked in the Photos folder, we can click on the three dots in the top right. You can then share this folder. So if you click on Share, you can go again to the three dots in the top right hand corner. You can click on Manage Access. And then here, if you change General Access from Restricted to anyone with the link, you can then click on this Copy button in the top right, this link icon, and you can see Link Copied to Clipboard. Then if we go ahead and share this link with someone and they click on it, it's going to take them to a Google Drive folder where they can view the photos and also download them.